Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Grace and welcome back to another video. As you can see from the thumbnail of the video, आज I'm going to be giving you guys a full-on guide to lip balms. So I am what you call a lip balm paglu, a lip balm lover, a lip balm professional, someone who really loves lip balms, someone who has an obsession with lip balms. Basically, someone who has anything and everything to do with lip balms. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Now, we are going to be beginning with the best and the OG of lip balms, Vaseline. I mean, हम सबको पता है ये हम सबके घरों में है, सबके घरों में हर साल इसकी एक डिब्बी आती है जो पूरी खत्म हो जाती है और फिर अगले साल नई डिब्बी आ जाती है। कईयों के घरों में साल में 2-3 बार डिब्बियाँ आ जाती हैं, बट Vaseline is the OG and it's OG for a reason because it is just very good. मतलब I personally have realized that कभी भी अगर मेरे lips बहुत ज़्यादा chapped हो या बहुत ज़्यादा फट जाएं due to ठंडी या whatever reason, no lip balm can actually save them other than Vaseline. But yes, there is just one problem I had with Vaseline is I got bored of it. Yeah, like I easily get bored with a lot of stuff and I got bored of Vaseline, but luckily, lucky for me and lucky for you, the problem was fixed. ये है problem का solution. These are Vaseline की lip therapies. I have 3 of them. So basically, when I say that I love lip balms, I truly mean it because let me show you इनके अंदर कितना बचा हुआ है. भाई क्यों नहीं खुल रहा? The current status of these मतलब ये खत्म हो गई थी एक्चुअली एंड इसके एंड बिट में मैंने नॉर्मल वाली वैक्सीन मिक्स कर दी मज़े मज़े में बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई लव टू एक्सपेरिमेंट. ये भी एज यू कैन सी इज प्रीटी मच ओवर और ये वाली भी काफ़ी नीचे पहुंच चुकी है. सो दिस प्रूव्स टू शो दैट आई यूज लिप बाम्स अलॉट. मतलब बेसिकली द प्रॉब्लम नॉट द प्रॉब्लम द थिंग इज दैट मैं लिप बाम मेरी जेब में रखे बिना कहीं निकलती नहीं हूँ बिकॉज I just have gotten into this recent obsession over lip balms and I feel like lip balms के बिना मेरी जिंदगी अधूरी है and I need them. Now, if you're a beginner to lip balms, I am pretty sure you've went through Vaseline and if you've not, go try them out, guys. Options अब तो बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, 4 options है पूरे and I am pretty sure that ये जो lip therapy वाली क्या है ये और ये जो लिप थेरेपी वाला है इसके अंदर एक ओरिजिनल वर्जन भी आता है बट वो मैंने खरीदा नहीं ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज ओरिजिनल मेरे पास ये डायरेक्ट है. Now we move on to our next lip balms, which is from Hyphen. So Hyphen के I actually have 2 lip balms. This marshmallow वाला and एक है mango lip cream. And if you see there are these cute charms on both of these and ये मैंने खुद बनाए हैं, खुद जुगाड़ करके इन पे लगाए भी हैं. So just take a look. Now talking about hyphens, matlab I am pretty sure everyone has seen mixed reviews about these. I personally love the flavoring. I kind of like it. Matlab it's like if I'm applying a lip balm, I'm actually getting a double profit because not only do my lips get moisturized, but I also get to eat it. So yeah, no, I don't really eat it. The mango one has the most flavor. Matlab this has the flavor of the कच्चा मैंगो बाइट वाली जो चॉकलेट होती थी ऐसे पीली पीली हरे मतलब क्या पत्तियों वाली जो भी है. दिस हैज एग्जैक्टली उसका फ्लेवर. दिस वन वेयर एज मार्शमेलो वन में ज़्यादा फ्लेवरिंग नहीं है बट इट हैज़ अ पिंक कलर लाइक अ वेरी क्यूट पिंक कलर एंड आई एक्चुअली यूज इट फॉर द कलर एंड नॉट फॉर द मॉइस्चराइजेशन. In terms of moisturization, I feel like these are pretty good. I mean, they're not bad, but obviously they're not as long lasting as our Vaseline because I don't think so anyone can beat Vaseline. So I have this lip balm from Westside which I bought. It is a peptide lip balm cherry float nude. तो ये वाली जो lip balm है, guys, I mean, I'm really sorry. I bought this. I have only one problem with this. First and foremost, let me show you. Like it is very thick. मतलब पूरा जोर निकल जाता है इसको निकालने में. Like it's very thick. एंड देन दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज सिंस इट्स इतना थिक, इसको अप्लाई करने में भी थोड़ा सा कष्ट लगता है. यस, इसका एक थोड़ा सा आफ्टर टेस्ट है दो, जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा, बट मेरी मम्मी को आफ्टर टेस्ट अच्छा लगा. मम्मी को लग रहा है कि आफ्टर टेस्ट है ही नहीं. तो इट्स अ पर्सन ऑन पर्सन रिव्यू, बट या इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सम थिक लिप बाम्स, दिस वन इज फॉर यू. देखो मेरे पास थोड़ी सिंगल वाली भी है, पर मैं चाहती हूँ मैं सिंगल वाली लास्ट में रखती हूँ. अभी जोड़ी जोड़ी खत्म कर देती हूँ. ये एक सिंगल मैंने बीच में लाके गलती कर दी, कोई बात नहीं, अब जोड़ी करेंगे. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव फॉक्सटेल, एंड फ्रॉम फॉक्सटेल आई हैव टू ऑफ द लिप बाम्स. एक है इनका पिंक ग्लेज, हाँ पिंक ग्लेज, एंड एक है इनका लाइट मॉव ग्लेज. नाउ दीज आर सपोजिटली ब्राइटनिंग लिप बाम्स विद SPF 30. अब आई हैव यूज देम, बट मैंने इनको लाइक रेगुलर यूज पे हर रोज पे यूज नहीं किया था, बिकॉज I tend to switch my lip balms like kind of every single day. So I did not see any sort of brightening, but that could also be because मैंने इसे regular use नहीं किया. So I don't know about the brightening part of it, but I do know that they are pretty good. मतलब I kind of go to grab them in the evening. भले मुझे इन्हें सुबह उठाना चाहिए because they have SPF, but मैं अंधेरे में जब जाती हूँ तब ये लगा रही होती हूँ. पता नहीं क्यों मेरे को उल्टा चलना पसंद है. So yeah. Well, if you're looking for lip balms which have a slight tint to it and are moisturizing at the same time and have SPF, you can go for the Foxtail ones because they have all these things. You're welcome for all the information. अब मेरे पास ये आखिरी pair, not pair, a trio lip balm set I have. So I basically wanted to try out Laneige for a very long time and I finally got it last year के रक्षाबंधन पे. Mind you, अब उस जो इसको एक साल होने को आ चुका है because रक्षाबंधन अभी आ रही है almost, but I still haven't used either one of them completely, and that's purely because I switch lip balms a lot and also because I am just a little too, like I've saved them for special occasions. It's like when I feel like it's really special, that's when I'm applying those. So let me show you the ones that I have. As I said, I have 3 items from Laneige. First, I'll show you the Lip Glowy Balm, which I have in Gummy Bear, and I love this. Like, trust me, I love this. So this one has a taste, flavoring, of whatever it is supposed to be called, but it is very subtle and very nice and very real. मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And secondly, it has some good moisturization. Matlab, compared to the other lip balms, I feel like this is on second number in terms of moisturization after Vaseline, obviously. But it's pretty good. And ये वाला जो मेरे पास है, it has a very slight hinge of purple color to it, but that is pretty cool. It is Laneige's Glaze Craze Tinted Lip Serum and इसका flavor है blueberry jelly. I initially got this thinking कि I want some color ताकि मेरे को अगर कभी चाहिए हो, just I'm just stepping out, I want a lip balm and I can just put this one on, I'll have a little bit of color and everything. But I feel like इस वाले का color, like blueberry वाले का color is a little too much. मतलब I mean it's good, I will step out after wearing it obviously, but I cannot wear this and go to school. So I mean, if you are understanding what I'm saying here, you are understanding. What an explanation. Okay, I'll ignore that. But the best thing about this one is its applicator. Like, hi, Lego. Wait, let me show you. I love this applicator so much. It's so soft, squishy. It's so good. I love it. And lastly, from Laneige, I have their lip sleeping masks. And I have to say, this is the thing. मतलब अगर आप सोचो कि आपको Laneige से सिर्फ एक चीज लेनी है, I would say ये लो. It's very good. Okay. And guys, this sits true to its name, that is a lip sleeping mask. मतलब अगर मेरे को रात को सोने जाना है and if I apply Vaseline or apply this, I feel like रात के समय में this will leave my lips more moisturized than Vaseline. I have said it. This works better in night than Vaseline. The best part about lip sleeping mask is that जब तुम इसे लगाओगे, it gives that clear look. Like जैसे for example, if you're putting like a clear gloss on, but it's just a little subtle version. So it's just better. ये 8 grams वाला है, इसका 20 ग्राम वाला डिब्बा भी आता है and there are multiple flavor options that I want to try out and I have not yet tried out and I am looking forward to it. Now we move on to the next lip balm, which is from Dot & Key, and I'm pretty sure you've heard of this one as well. ये अभी recently काफी like viral हुआ था and like everyone was trying it. मतलब मैंने थोड़ा late खरीदा है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. This one actually has SPF 50. Now initially जब मैं ये लेने का सोच रही थी, I was a little skeptical because it is like a crayon, ठीक है, and I was like, एक crayon lip balm की तरह कैसे काम कर सकता है? Like I'll show you. It's like this. It's a crayon, right? How can this be a lip balm? Mind you, it is super moisturizing. It's very good. I mean, this also has the most perfect tint ever. Matlab, I feel like compared to the tints of lip balms that I have already, I feel like this one is the most natural and it looks super good, like amazing. So if you need a lip balm which has a bit of tint and a lot of SPF protection, that is 50, go for Dot and Key. Now we move on to our next lip balm from Sebamed. So ये lip balm मैंने अभी कुछ समय पहले ही यूज करना स्टार्ट किया है. I like it. This is also pink in color. मतलब अभी ऊपर का ये इग्नोर करना प्लीज. ये पता नहीं क्या है. मैंने खाया नहीं है, गिरा है ये. खाया बिल्कुल नहीं है मैंने, but yes. It has a cute pink color, but इसका I feel like moisturization इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, मतलब compared to the other lip balms I own. Now we move on to our next lip balm, and actually it's not a lip balm, it's a lip oil which is from Lamel. I don't know, गलत बोल रही हूँ. Lamel है, ठीक है. It's a lip care oil with vitamin E. This one, first of all, looks super cute, super easy, super duper pocket friendly, and it's super. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैंने अभी तक ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया है इसे बिकॉज मैं मेरे बाकी लिप बाम्स में बहुत मगन थी, बट I will use it for sure, definitely. I move on to our next lip balm, which is from Zudio.
So it is a candy coated berry swirl lip gloss from Zudio.
Now I got this one because ऐसे मजे मजे में I was like, I want to buy a lip balm, and I just picked this one up and I bought it.
And it's pretty good. I would say it's not a bad lip balm. It's a good lip balm. I feel like I do see myself having this in my pocket and walking around.
It's a pretty good lip balm. So now I am moving on to my last lip balm of the stack. Now ये lip balm को मैंने last में एक कारण से रखा है because this is the lip balm that I'm currently using a lot. So let me show you. It is Wish Care का ceramide lip balm. मतलब अब इसकी अगर आप हालत देखोगे यहाँ से ये निकल रहा है. So this proves to show I've used it a lot. And let me show you. ये ऐसे तो ये निकल जाता है खोलते ही ढक्कन इसका, मुझे नहीं समझ आया क्यों, बट वेट. अब ये जब लिप बाम आया था ये ऊपर तक पूरा टॉप तक उसमें था, एंड अब अंदर देखो बेसिकली इतना अंदर ये जा चुका है कि मैंने इसे यूज किया है, एंड इतना यूज मैंने इसे आई थिंक सो 1.5 मंथ में ही किया है, एंड आई एम प्रीटी सरप्राइज्ड. आई honestly I like this one because first of all it is super small, मतलब compared to other lip balms like for example this one, look at this. ये बहुत पतला है so it's easier to carry and I just have it like this in my hand, like मुट्ठी में छुप जाता है वो मेरी, है ना. छुपा के जा सकती हूँ कहीं सीक्रेटली. अगर मुझे लिप बाम स्मगल करना है तो ऐसे करूंगी मैं, दिखेगा ही नहीं. कहाँ है लिप बाम, कहाँ है. स्टार्टिंग में जब मैंने इसको यूज करना स्टार्ट किया था, मेरे को पहले हफ्ते यूज करते टाइम आई वाज लाइक ये क्या है, ये इतना ड्राई क्यों है, व्हाई डज दिस नॉट मॉइस्चराइज माय लिप्स, एंड आई वाज लाइक oh my god, what did I buy? And then after a week, I think so इसका probably कोई upper layer होगा, it probably broke off, and then it started working much better, and I feel like since then I've just been loving it. ये cocoa butter वाला है, and I love the cocoa butter flavor of it as well. As a professional lip reviewer, I feel like if you have super sharp lips and you just want to fix them, you should either go for the Vaselines or you could try out Laneige का lip sleeping mask. And yeah, that's it. मतलब चार लिप्स के लिए उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं चलने वाला ढंग से. I don't know, I don't think so. जो मेरे पास है उनमें से तो नहीं चलेगा. Now if you're someone who's looking for sunscreen lip balms, then we have a few options. One is Dot and Key, then there is Hyphen Key lip screen wali, and then there is Foxtail and Wish Care wali or Sabermed wali bhi. They both are actually sunscreen lip balms, so you could go for those. Basically, if you're someone who goes out in the sun a lot and is looking for a sunscreen lip balm to actually protect your lips, then yeah, ye le lena. So if you're someone who's looking to fancy up your lip balm game with a little bit of tint, then you could go for the Dot and Key wala lip balm. Then there is Hyphen wala marshmallow ka lip balm. Then I think so Hyphen ke there are other lip balms as well which have tints, but I have not tried them out, so maybe you could try those out. Then there is कौन सा था याद करने दो, हाँ, Laneige का lip serum and the Lamel का lip oil. Like these four are it for Lastly, if you're looking for lip balms that fit into your pocket, I feel like if you really love lip balms, you can fit every single one of these in your pockets except ये दो, because ये तो दोनों को थोड़ा पॉकेट में डालना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. बाकी सब आप अपने पॉकेट में डाल सकते हो. मतलब इट्स अप टू यू हाउ ओपन यू आर. मतलब मैं तो सारे के सारे भी डाल, बट या. So that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and I will see you all soon in the next one. Till then, आप मेरे बाकी videos देख लेना and I will see you all next time. Bye!